So students, welcome back to Gurukulam online classes. I am Satna and today we are going to learn about kinetic energy. So first let us know what is kinetic energy, what is its definition. So kinetic energy is defined as, its definition is half mv square, where m stands for mass and v stand for velocity. So if there is an object having mass m and moving with velocity v, then it must have energy that is known as kinetic energy, and the amount is half mv square. Two main points about this energy is that the first point is that it does not depend on direction. It does not depend on direction. What we mean by this statement that if the body is going up or body is going left or it is going right, if its velocity is same and mass is same, then in all the three cases the kinetic energy must be same because it does not depend on direction. The second most important point in this kinetic energy is its unit is joule. We measure kinetic energy in joule. The symbol of joule is J. And the third important point of kinetic energy is, one more point, I have said 2 points but there are 3 points. The third important point is that you can see in the formula that there is a mass and there is a velocity. Mass can never be negative. Velocity can be negative, but as there is a square, it will be positive. So kinetic energy can never be negative. It is always a positive quantity. So this is the third point. Kinetic energy is always positive. So hope you know these things what I have told just to you. Definition of kinetic energy is half mv square, where m stands for mass, v for velocity. If a block of mass m moving with velocity, it must have energy known as kinetic energy, and its amount is half mv square. The first point is that it does not depend on direction, whether you move left, right, up. If the mass is same, velocity is same, then kinetic energy must be same. Its unit is joule. We measured in joule. The symbol is J, and it is always a positive quantity. Now we will take up a numerical and understand its more depth. So let's see that there is a bullet having the mass of 50 gram and moving with a speed of 200 meter per second. Let's see a numerical of it. Now on his way of bullet there is a ply, and the thickness of the ply is given as 20 centimeter. The thickness of the ply is given as 20 centimeter. When this bullet will encounter this ply, it will pierce it and it comes out with only 10% of kinetic energy. When it pierces the ply, it comes with 10% of kinetic energy. We want to know its final velocity. The question is, we want to know its final velocity. Let us repeat that. There is a bullet of mass 50 gram moving with speed 200 meter per second. On its way, there is a ply whose thickness is given as 20 centimeter. This is the thickness of the ply. And when it pierces it, it emerges with only 10% of kinetic energy, and we want to know its velocity. So let us calculate first its initial kinetic energy. So as we know, the formula of kinetic energy is half mv square. We will apply it. We will put the formula half mv square, putting the value, mass is 50 gram, all the numbers should be in SI, SI is kg, so first we will convert gram into kg, it will be 50 by 1000, and velocity is 200 meter per second, it is already in SI unit, we will put as it is 200 by square. When we will solve it, we will get 25 into 200 upon 1000. So by solving it, we will get 1000 joule. So initial kinetic energy of the bullet is 1000 joule. As in the question, it is given only, it emerges with only 10% of its initial kinetic energy. So let us see what will be its final kinetic energy. So according to question, the final kinetic energy is 10% of initial kinetic energy. We already have calculated initial kinetic energy. What it is come to be 1000. So we'll multiply by 1000, and what will get? There should be 100. When we multiply, 20 will cross and it will be 100 joule. So what we see that after coming out of the ply, its kinetic energy final is 100 joule. Now our question was we have to find the velocity. So we'll put again the formula of kinetic energy. I hope you remember that the formula of kinetic energy is what? Half mv square. So we'll put the formula half mv square. Kinetic energy final we already calculated, it is 100 joule. Half, the mass is 50 gram of bullet. Again we will put in kg divided by 1000, and we want to know v square. So by solving it, what will get? 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 20, cross multiply it, will get 40 square, then we'll get 4000 v square, and we will take under root, it will become 2 under root of 1000, or further solving we will get 20 under root of 10 meter per second. So this is our final and required velocity. So I hope you remember what its definition, what is their point, and we already have dealt with a numerical that will make you more understand this topic. Thank you so much. For more videos, subscribe this channel, like this video, comment, and we will touch in further video. Thank you so much.